Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a tobacco shop and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your tobacco shop. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much build a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start your free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. Let's go ahead and search for our market, tobacco shop. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once MultiSites has generated a website for you with the information you've just popped in, it will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be showing you the ropes. So make any changes to your website. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web developer, or have any web professional skills. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. Even if you're not that tech savvy, you can literally do it all yourself. The beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own awesome images of the various products you stock inside your tobacco shop. You want to showcase them on your website. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these brands and products. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make some amendments to your website. I'm going to make my way to the top and I'm going to work my way through each section. Let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section over here and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. There it is over there. Phone number that is click to call, and address physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address on the top left hand corner and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Awesome. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your websites. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors that we pre-selected for you, used throughout your MultiSites websites, all you need to do is click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you. You don't need to know any color coding. For each section that you'd like to make changes, make it a little bit more personalized to your tobacco shop, click on update section directly underneath the section. Under update action is where we can change those call to action buttons, the text on them, and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file for those buttons. And update image is where you can browse your device and upload your own images, or you have the option to search through the photo library, hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in your Instagram photos if you have a profile, business profile for your tobacco shop. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can reach out to you via this form with their queries and concerns. You can keep track of all your leads coming in from this form in your Marti dashboard. You'll also get notified by your registered email once you have a new lead coming in. If you have a custom domain, you can go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click that button as well. You have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial is helpful in building a simple website on the Marty SaaS platform for your tobacco shop. And I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success.